In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Glassons promo code. So let's get started. So Glassons is another online shopping store for clothing and fashion. So now whenever you're shopping online, you might be wondering whether you can get a discount. Well, yes, you can. So first of all, you're gonna go to Google and search up Glassons promo code. And then you're gonna go to this website which says 50% off Glassons discount code for August 2023. So wethrift.com. So I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna wait for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, the first one is best Glassons discount code 50% off. So you can click show code, and that's the code right there. And then you can say whether it worked for you or not. And as you guys can see, the success rate is pretty high, 96%, and it's used 545 times. And then let's say you want 20% off. All of these offers are here, and you can go claim them anytime. So let's say I want this 15% off right here, but as you guys can see, the success rate is low, so I'm gonna go for some other one. Let's go for this one, 83 success rate. So I'm gonna click copy code, and the code will be copied automatically, and then you can go to the website and shop. Now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more examples. Okay, so you can go to this website, coupon follow, and then here similarly get 20% off. So you can click on it. That's the code right there. You can copy and paste, and then save 15% off or take 10% off with discount code. So I'm gonna click on that, and that's the discount code. So you can click on it and paste it and get a 10% off. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.